We are in Zimbabwe, and we decided to go on a special tour today. This isn't your typical type of tour. We're actually going to walk with lions. I never knew that something like this existed, but we just had to try it out and see what it was all about. I don't know what to expect. Well, here come the lions. I'm a bit nervous at this point. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I hope it's going to be safe and everything will be fine.
Look at how funny they are. 22, 24 months? No, it's 16
months. 16 months?
Now, if you couldn't hear what he said that the young ones are 5 months old and the older ones are the aunt and uncle of the youngsters, and they're about 16 months. The parents had actually been shipped off to somewhere else when they were 24 months old. A little bit more on that later.
So right, anyway, so these are the lions that we are going to work with. The 4 little ones and the 2 big ones. But I have to introduce you to the last 3 trainers here that we have. Londos with amongst us. Lisbon in front of us. And Peter. Okay, these are the 3 lion trainers. So they're going to enjoy one. It's gonna be Lisbon who's gonna tell us about their lions. Okay.
Okay, folks, I'm going to give you the names of the cubs, age and sex.
Good. He likes you.
Yeah, I like playing a lot. Okay, these 4, they are from the same litter. They are 5 months old. We've got Alex, Benjamin, Psycho, and Sarai. Sarai, she's the female, and these 3, they are males. Over there, we've got the big male, that's Lozi, and the girl, that's Shola. Those ones, they are 18 months old.
Or we might not actually get there. It all depends on how the lions are going to be behaving. If they don't want to walk much, we don't have to push them too much.
Bless you. So I'm a little on my guard here. Little ones, they actually like to play with your ankles and they have pretty sharp claws.
Come on, yeah.
I also found out that there's some controversy around these tours. I didn't know it at the time, but if you're interested, then stick around to the end to find out more. I honestly don't know what the point of this is. I guess it's fun for the tourists. Like, do the lions care about this? Does it bother them? I'm not sure. Now, these lions are not sedated like you often see when people have tiger photos in their Tinder profiles. The lions are actually treated very well by the trainers and they get a lot of freedom. Poor kid.
Like this?
So they keep telling me not to be nervous. How could I not be nervous?
They're rough like sandpaper.
Yeah, it was nice.
That was nice.
Look over there.
So pissed off.
Okay.
Two from the side here. Yeah.
Looks like we are missing the big ones now, eh?
Yep. We lost them.
Right, so let's move on. See how fast they are, huh?
Oh yeah. I think Carl Lewis can beat him.
So this is the end of the tour. Before we go, I want to talk about the controversy surrounding these tours. They can be found all over Africa and are very popular in South Africa. I was concerned with what happens to the lions when they grow to full size, which is when they were removed from the walking tours and they're shipped somewhere else. I asked the trainers and they said that they get sold off to other parties to be used in movies or maybe placed in a zoo. The controversy surrounding this, however, is that some of these parties promote canned hunts, which is where the lions are placed in a small reserve to be shot by trophy hunters. So that really breaks my heart hearing that, as these lions didn't ask for this and they have been trained to be non-aggressive to humans. Although I didn't get 100% confirmation that this happens, there's also no confirmation that it doesn't happen. So my suggestion is to do your own research and make your own decision on whether you want to support these tours. I did enjoy my time and it was a great experience. Will I do it again? Most likely not. Anyway, Lions, it's time for your midday nap. Thanks for your time. You're all amazing. I wish you all the best and take care.